Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm excited to dive into today's word, which is a serious but important one: abuse. Abuse is a noun that refers to harmful treatment or the misuse of something or someone. It's a word that often highlights situations where someone or something is being treated in a damaging or unjust way, whether physically, emotionally, or verbally. Understanding this word can help us recognize and describe harmful behavior accurately. When we think about synonyms, words like mistreatment, exploitation, and misuse come to mind. For example, you could say, "The mistreatment of animals is unacceptable in any form," or "The exploitation of workers is an issue that needs attention." These synonyms give us different ways to talk about the harm that comes from abuse. On the other hand, some antonyms would include care, respect, and protection. If we want to show the opposite of abuse, we could say, "The care shown towards the elderly in that facility is outstanding," or "She has a deep respect for her team and values their well-being." These words represent the positive treatment that contrasts with the negative connotations of abuse. In everyday life, abuse is often used in contexts where something is misused or where there's harmful treatment involved. You might hear it in sentences like, "The abuse of power in that company led to serious consequences," or "He recognized that he was in an abusive relationship and sought help." Sometimes, people talk about the abuse of substances like alcohol or drugs, meaning the harmful overuse of those substances. To put it in other sentences, we might say, "The abuse of trust can ruin friendships," or "Her abuse of authority was a major concern for her colleagues." By learning how to use this word, we can become more aware of situations where abuse might be present and describe them effectively. That brings us to the end of today's episode. We talked about the meaning of abuse, its synonyms and antonyms, and how we see it used in everyday situations. Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and we'd love to hear from you. Try creating your own sentence using abuse and share it with us in the comments below. Thanks again, and until next time on Hello Word.